Get acquainted with the 2023 Hyundai Kona. Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized, subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Don't miss the chance to drive a fresh sense of fun into your daily commute. Get into this agile and connected Kona. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.